Hello! Buzz Joinery is a project Candice and I started working on 3 years ago. We didn't have a lot of money at the time, so Candice said,
"You're a woodworker. Why don't you make one yourself?"
"Great idea!" I started reading every book I could find about beekeeping. I met other beekeepers to hear their stories and to see their hives set up. I spent hours researching online to learn that the bees are in trouble and keeping them is not as simple as it once was. That's why we wanted a hive that would just do that, keep it simple. We were inspired by the idea of the golden hive, a non-commercial hive which uses frames where the bees build their natural comb. Built with the bees' natural behaviors and preferences in mind, it is our hope that this will be beneficial to the bees' health and well-being. The reactions and feedback we've received have been extremely positive. That's why we would like to build 5 more hives and put them into use throughout our community. We have improved our initial design and would love to see people using it.
For whatever that means.
Hi, I'm Lucas.
And I'm Candice, and we're Buzz Joinery.
We are really excited about this project, but to get it off the ground we need your help.
You can support us by pledging on one of our rewards or sharing this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.